Good morning, seniors. Imagine waking up one day, stepping out of bed, and feeling your legs. Once wobbly and weak, move with newfound strength and confidence. No more clinging to armrests, no more shaky steps, and no more nighttime cramps stealing your sleep. My name is Barbara O'Neill, and today I am thrilled to share a life-changing breakfast routine that's helped hundreds of seniors like my 69-year-old neighbor David go from struggling to stand to walking 2 kilometers pain-free in just weeks. This isn't about fancy supplements or expensive powders. It's about simple, affordable foods you've seen 100 times but might not be using right. Research shows that eating these nutrient-packed breakfasts before 8 a.m. can prevent up to 72% of age-related leg muscle loss, boost balance, and reduce cramps in as little as 3 weeks. What's more, I'll reveal the surprising morning mistake most seniors make that's silently weakening their legs, and how 5 easy breakfast tweaks can reverse the aging process in your muscles, improve circulation, and even help you feel decades younger. If you're ready to reclaim your strength and stability, type 1 in the comments below, and let's dive into these game-changing breakfast habits that will transform your mornings and your mobility. Picture this. You wake up, your legs feel like they're carrying cement bags, and even a short walk to the kitchen feels like a marathon. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Leg weakness, stiffness, and cramps are common after 60, but they're not just aging. Often it's about what you're not eating in the morning. Skip the sugary cereals, plain toast, or black coffee on an empty stomach. These habits could be robbing your legs of strength. Instead, let's start with whole eggs, the cornerstone of muscle repair. Eggs are packed with vitamin D, B12, and leucine, a powerful amino acid that signals your body to stop breaking down muscle and start rebuilding it. Studies show that eating just 1 or 2 eggs within 30 to 60 minutes of waking can reduce cramps, improve balance, and strengthen your legs over time. Boil or lightly scramble them, always keeping the yolk for its nutrient goldmine, and pair with spinach or a tomato slice for an extra mineral boost. This simple habit helped David, a former construction engineer, go from needing armrest to stand to walking confidently again. Next, let's talk about oats and chia seeds, a humble duo that's a powerhouse for leg strength. Oats deliver slow-releasing carbs and beta-glucan fiber, stabilizing blood sugar and enhancing protein absorption, which is critical for muscle health. Chia seeds add calcium, potassium, magnesium, and healthy fats to support muscle contraction, reduce cramps, and improve blood flow to those tight, weak spots. Prep is easy. Simmer 3 tablespoons of rolled oats in water or unsweetened nut milk. Stir in a tablespoon of chia seeds and top with a few berries or banana slices for sweetness and extra minerals. Eat this within an hour of waking, and you'll notice steadier steps and less morning fatigue. This combo worked wonders for David, who ditched his morning coffee-only routine and felt his legs come alive in just 3 weeks. Now, let's add a fruit that's a leg saver, the banana. Rich in potassium, bananas prevent those sudden muscle twitches and cramps that hit after a night of mineral loss or dehydration, especially if you're on diuretics or other meds. Timing is key. Eat a small, slightly underripe banana after your eggs or oats, not on an empty stomach, to maximize potassium absorption and minimize blood sugar spikes. Pair it with yogurt or mix it into your oats for a fuller breakfast that keeps your legs fluid and cramp-free all day. Bananas also deliver magnesium and B6, which sync your brain and muscles for better coordination on stairs or uneven ground. If you've been battling heavy, twitchy, or restless legs, this simple fruit can be a game changer. Speaking of yogurt, Greek yogurt is your next secret weapon. It's not just a creamy treat, it's loaded with casein, protein, and probiotics that boost digestion, ensuring your body absorbs the calcium, magnesium, and protein your legs crave. After 60, slower digestion or medications can make it harder to extract nutrients, but Greek yogurt's probiotics bridge that gap, supporting muscle strength and circulation. A Restrict University study found that seniors eating 20 grams of casein protein daily, about a cup of Greek yogurt, saw noticeable leg strength gains and fewer cramps in 6 weeks, even without extra exercise. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Mix in berries or a sprinkle of chia seeds, and enjoy it as a sidekick to your eggs or oats. If dairy is an issue, try lactose-free or goat milk versions. They're just as effective. Finally, let's talk about a breakfast star that tackles deep muscle soreness and inflammation. Pan-seared salmon. This isn't your everyday fish. It's a muscle protector, brimming with omega-3s, high-quality protein, and vital vitamins. Omega-3s reduce the chronic inflammation that builds up in aging muscles and joints, easing stiffness, swelling, and pain. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors eating fatty fish like salmon regularly had a 36% lower risk of falls due to leg weakness, plus better walking speed and balance. You don't need a big portion, just a small, wild-caught salmon fillet, pan-seared in olive oil for 3 to 4 minutes per side, paired with steamed veggies or a sweet potato for added minerals. If mornings aren't for cooking, try sugar-free smoked salmon slices or a high-quality fish oil supplement. But the real hero of this routine is a surprising dish: steamed sweet potato with a pinch of Celtic sea salt. This combo is your leg's foundation, delivering slow-releasing carbs to fuel muscles and over 80 trace minerals, like magnesium and potassium, to prevent cramps and stabilize nerve signals. A French Institute of Mineral Nutrition study found that seniors eating high-fiber breakfasts like this saw a 41% improvement in balance and nearly 50% fewer falls in 90 days. Steam half a sweet potato, sprinkle with Celtic or Himalayan salt, and eat it 10 to 15 minutes before your main breakfast to prime your muscles for the day. To supercharge these breakfasts, adopt 5 daily habits. First, drink a glass of warm water with a pinch of Celtic salt upon waking to hydrate muscles and prevent cramps. Second, do quick balance drills. Stand on one foot for 10 seconds, switch sides, and repeat 5 times to strengthen legs. Third, rise slowly from bed, rotating ankles and wrists while breathing deeply to boost circulation. Fourth, get 5 minutes of morning sunlight to enhance vitamin D and calcium absorption for stronger bones. Fifth, avoid prolonged fasting. Eat a small breakfast like an egg or half a sweet potato to kickstart muscle repair. These habits, paired with the right foods, transformed David's life, taking him from a near-fall scare to pain-free morning walks. If you're ready to feel your legs come alive, type 1 in the comments. Share your questions and subscribe with notifications for more senior health tips. Let's make every step stronger, steadier, and cramp-free, starting with your next breakfast.